pizza is not the first thing that comes to mind when you think about the cuisine of Guatemala. However, 25 miles south of Guatemala City is the world's biggest and hottest pizza oven, standing at over 8,000 feet tall and reaching internal temperatures of up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, that's not completely true. It's not a giant pizza oven. It's the P Volcano. The P Volcano is one of the few erupting volcanoes open to the public, and it's been around for over 20,000 years. But it doesn't look a day over 19,000. The hike starts out pretty easy and gets harder as you go. You can walk or ride a horse. Along the way, there are scenic views of Guatemala's other volcanoes. It's about a 90-minute hike to the lava at the top. What makes P so popular, aside from the pizza at the top, is the fact that the lava doesn't move very fast. And that's a good thing for people like us trying to climb it. Once you reach about 5,000 feet, the trail changes from dirt path to a vast lava field, and you're on foot the rest of the way. David.
Hey, nice to meet you.
All right, I can't say I've ever cooked a pizza on a volcano, so you have to walk me through it.
Yeah, this is pizza pacaya, only in the world.
What do we start with?
Start with tomato sauce.
All right, beautiful.
Pizza is crusty in here in volcano.
Get the cheese on there.
Yeah, this cheese is mozzarella.
Beautiful.
And I have other cheeses. This queso.
All right, heavy-handed with the cheese. I like that.
Yeah, it's full cheeses. What do you prefer the toppings?
Let's go. Salami, prosciutto.
Chorizo.
Sí.
Muy bien.
Beautiful. And picante. Spicy.
Jalapeños. Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
No tomato.
We could throw a couple fresh tomatoes on there.
Okay.
Take a close look at the toppings. No pineapple in sight.
No pineapple, no. I have 4 years working here and 2 pizzas in 4 years with pineapple. No.
It's a disgrace to the Italians.
Yeah.
All right, David.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Ooh, best part about it, you don't have to pay for gas or call or nothing. Volcano does all the work. It's the good stuff.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, of course. I burned so many calories on the way up here.
Okay, moment.
Sizzling. The moment of truth. Wow.
A little rocks, eh?
That crunch, yeah.
Yeah, it's crunchy.
It's from that lava. It's so hot. It just makes an amazing crust at the bottom. It's gonna sound cliche, but there's an earthy taste to it too.